Welcome to our video guide for dual citizens traveling between the US and Canada, focusing on Australian and Canadian individuals who may have resided in the US on an E3 visa. In this video, we'll explore these key topics: understanding dual citizenship and US immigration, the risks of overstaying a visa, implications of previous visa denials and ESTA, strategies for extended stays, and best practices for dual citizens traveling to the U.S. We'll conclude with an important disclaimer. Holding dual citizenship provides options when traveling internationally. However, it does not exempt you from U.S. immigration laws. U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) officials have access to extensive databases that can identify your previous visa applications, work history, and travel records, regardless of which passport you present. Overstaying any U.S. visa, even by a short period, carries significant risks. It can lead to future visa denials, potential fines, and even a ban from the U.S. CBP officers are primarily concerned about your intent. If you have already spent a considerable time in the U.S. on a work visa, re-entering as a tourist shortly afterward may raise suspicions about your intentions. Let's test your understanding. What is a potential consequence of overstaying a U.S. visa? Is it A. Immediate deportation without questioning, B. Future visa denials or bans, or C. Automatic transition to a tourist visa? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is B. Future visa denials or bans. Overstaying can have serious long-term implications for future travel to the U.S. This flowchart illustrates how a previous visa denial, even if not related to criminal activity, becomes part of your immigration record and can affect future applications. It shows that Canadian citizenship doesn't automatically resolve this issue, as U.S. travel history impacts CBP's assessment, irrespective of the passport used. If you wish to remain in the U.S. beyond your current visa's expiration, consider alternatives like visa extensions or applying for a new visa that aligns with your planned activities. Seeking advice from an immigration lawyer is highly advisable to navigate the complexities of U.S. immigration laws and ensure compliance. Here are some best practices for dual citizens traveling to the U.S. Be transparent and upfront with CBP officials about your travel history and intentions. Carry all necessary documentation, including both passports, visas, and any supporting evidence for your stay, like proof of financial resources and return travel plans. If you have questions or concerns about your immigration status, consult with an immigration lawyer. Let's summarize what we've learned. Dual citizenship doesn't exempt you from U.S. immigration laws. Overstaying a visa carries significant risks. Previous visa denials affect future applications. Seek legal advice if considering extended stays to ensure compliance. Always carry the proper documentation. Thank you so much for watching our video. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave them in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might benefit. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides.